Hello everyone! Going kami ni Nash sa Cabanatuan. Sasamahan ko siya nga mag-training ng boxing for 2 hours. Keep on watching, guys! Ayan, nandito na kami sa training venue. Ito yung dating CQ nung araw, many years ago. Dati meron dito mga cinemas at saka bowling center. Pero teka, kapatid nga ba ni Nash si Jimwell Pacquiao? Well, maaari ngang magkapatid sila. Pero sa sports, not by blood nor by affinity. And of course, need muna na mag-warm up before engaging in their usual routine activity to prepare the body for physical exertion and reduce the risk of injury. This is now his training proper. Keep on watching!